Hi! In front of me is Honor 90 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by going into settings and clicking on Bluetooth section right away. Then tap on gray switcher next to Bluetooth feature. Wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected, but you can always disconnect them thanks to this gear next to connected device and unpair button at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!